First, you peel the onion. Then you make the dressing. The ingredients you need are pepper, mustard, honey, and any other spices you like. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. Two tablespoons of mustard. Add pepper, and you can add other spices to taste. Add olive oil. Mix the ingredients until they become creamy. Add salt and mix a little more. Add 7 to 8 medium-sized mushrooms and cut them in half. Take a few garlic cloves and crush them slightly so they're easier to peel. Peel the garlic well and trim off the ends. Now slice the onion into nice round pieces. Take the meat and make 5 to 6 cuts on the top so the dressing can soak in well. Spread the dressing evenly over the meat. Add salt to taste. Coat the dressing well over the entire surface of the meat. Let the dressing soak into the meat for about 20 minutes. Line an oven baking tray with baking paper. Place a few onion slices in the tray and set the meat on top of them. Put the mushrooms on the side of the baking tray. Put the onion and the garlic on top of the meat. In the meantime, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and let it heat up. Add a bit more pepper and salt if you like, and the meat will be ready to bake. Drizzle olive oil over the meat and the mushrooms. Put the meat in the preheated oven and let it bake for about 2.5 hours. Enjoy your meal.